Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for SAP users: New GL versus Classic GL in SAP, key differences. Whether you're an SAP newbie or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will provide you with valuable insights. We'll explore how these two general ledger systems differ and why understanding these differences is vital for effective financial management in SAP. 1. Overview of Classic GL and New GL. What is Classic GL? Classic General Ledger, used in earlier versions of SAP, primarily focuses on basic accounting functions. It operates with a single ledger system that can lead to complexities during financial reporting. What is New GL? Introduced with SAP ECC 5.0, New GL enhances the functionality of Classic GL by integrating advanced features like document splitting and real-time integration with controlling modules. 2. Key differences. 1. Flexibility and data structure. New GL offers an extended data structure that consolidates multiple totals tables into one, enhancing flexibility and reporting speed. In contrast, Classic GL relies on separate tables, which can slow down reporting processes. 2. Document splitting. One of the standout features of New GL is document splitting. This allows transactions to be broken down by various characteristics like profit centers and segments automatically. Classic GL lacks this capability, often requiring manual adjustments. 3. Real-time integration. New GL provides real-time integration between financial accounting, FE, and controlling, ensuring that all transactions are updated instantly across modules. Classic GL requires periodic reconciliation, which can lead to discrepancies. 4. Parallel accounting. With New GL, organizations can maintain multiple ledgers for different accounting standards like IFRS and GAAP simultaneously. Classic GL does not support this feature as effectively. 5. Period-end closing process. New GL simplifies the period-end closing process by eliminating the need for reconciliation ledgers and balance sheet adjustments, leading to faster financial closes compared to Classic GL. 3. Advantages of New GL. Enhanced reporting capabilities. New GL supports flexible drill-down reporting by segments and other characteristics, providing deeper insights into financial data. Improved audit trails. The integration of various functionalities within New GL ensures comprehensive audit trails, enhancing transparency and compliance. 4. Conclusion. Recap of key points. To summarize, while Classic GL serves basic accounting needs, New GL offers advanced features that enhance flexibility, reporting capabilities, and real-time integration, making it a superior choice for modern businesses. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into SAP functionalities. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more about SAP functionalities.